Another difference between my system and other suppliers system is the installation, and I will show you the control box of other suppliers recommend to you. And here is the control box other supplier recommend to you. But our control box is very little, and it's electric control panel, and our system don't need to install the lights on site. We will connect the lights for you, so you don't need to ask other engineer to do it. And I will open it and show you the great difference. As you can see, there are so many different lights, and it has very complicated light system, and I cannot figure it out. It will connected by engineer. So others recommend this system for you, and you need to find a local engineer to do it for you. But if you use our system, so the difficult connection will be avoided, and will save lots of cost on installation.